Hello, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to do a fun project I've been wanting to do for quite some time. I am going to be taking out some of the blue tools back here. Those are my mountain bike tools. I am going to put them in the drawer. I'm going to replace them with some of the Craftsman tools that I bought here. I've been wanting to do that for a bit since I have the red LED background in the pegboard. Just for fun. So don't forget to like and follow. We have great videos coming, and some of the links below, they do help out the channel. We're trying to grow, can't do it without your support. And don't forget the all notification bell, so as soon as the videos come out, you'll be the first one to know. So let's get to it. All right guys, so here on the left is my mountain bike tools, which are gonna go in the mountain bike cabinet. That cabinet right there is just dedicated for that, for mountain biking. And the rest of the stuff is kind of like your, daily use, your basic stuff. I'm gonna try to see if I could go ahead and put all these as much as I can on the pegboard. I like the red stuff. As you can see, it's got a little, red LED back there and under the toolbox. So that's pretty much it, So like this particular one, I couldn't find it, from Craftsman. So I had one that I was hanging right here. I sanded it, painted it, give it a nice clear coat so it kind of matches the red stuff. So like I said, I'll see what fits here, what it doesn't fit, then I'll just put it in the cabinet. It's no big deal. This is just for fun. Some of these tools, I don't use them as much, except the biking stuff I do use, tape measure, and the screwdrivers though. But I have, multiple sets of all this stuff anyway that I use, and I take with me when I go to the job site. So, with that said, let's get to it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the...
Alright guys, so we're done. I'm very happy. Turned out pretty well. So this is exactly what I was looking for. And like I said, I'm not going to be using these tools, all of them. There's just, some of them are just for looks. Kind of like if I need it, I'll use them. But, I do have a set of tools that I beat up. And that's, pretty much it. So I enjoy doing this. It looks pretty cool with the background with the LED. I also have it down here if you've seen some of my videos. And we are going to be doing some other stuff inside these cabinets. So check out some of the the videos. They're pretty pretty fun. So don't forget to like and follow, and check out some of the links below. They help us out, and we're trying to grow. Can't do it without your support. All right, thanks for watching.